Do I need to get a completely new set of tools in order to work with Puron Advance? The number one requirement is having spark-proof tools. This could be something as easily as a brushless DC motor. Good news, tooling manufacturers have been working over the past several years to improve safety of their product in preparation to this refrigerant changeover. Therefore, many of the tools on the market are already spark-proof. It will be important to refer to the information from your tool manufacturers to determine if this requirement is satisfied with the tools that you already own. Because the operating pressures of Puron Advance are very similar to R410A, your current gauge sets can handle the normal pressures seen with the new refrigerant. You will need to update any saturation temperature references. Visual guides or electronic software will need to be updated to contain the saturation temperatures of Puron Advance. Finally, one key tool that you most likely do not own today will be an adapter to go from the inverted threads of the refrigerant canister to the standard threads of your gauge sets. This adapter will be available through tool catalogs set up through our replacement components division.